Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off ask permission on App Store to download apps from App Store in iOS 26. So guys, if you are using a family shared device and you are trying to download apps from App Store but you are asked to get permission from your parent's device and you are unable to do this, or you are unable to download the apps, here I will show you how can you turn it off. So guys, basically the permission cannot be removed from your device. It will be only removed when you request your parent to turn off ask permission for downloading apps from your iPhone. So guys, basically you have to request your parents to turn off ask permission for your device so you can download apps from the App Store. So guys, this is the first way which you can use, and the second way is that you have to simply remove this Apple ID from your iPhone to download apps from App Store. So guys, basically you have to simply create a new Apple ID on your iPhone to download apps without taking a permission from your parents' device. So guys, you can read this request to get Apollo, or this app will be sent to your parents. So guys, basically this is a request. You have to simply send it to your parents to get permission. Either you have to remove this Apple ID and then you have to simply get a new Apple ID or create new Apple ID for your device, and after this you will be able to download the apps very easily. So guys, if you are using a family shared device, then you have to simply get the permission from your parents. Otherwise you will not be able to download apps from App Store without getting a permission. So guys, hope you understand this video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.